2018 Ford Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size the whole world round. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, passenger airbag on/off switch, bucket seats, electronic stability control, passenger airbag, side head airbag, power windows, brake assist, V6 engine, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, power driver mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.